Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A cordless angle grinder is a powerful, versatile tool that offers incredible flexibility for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and home users alike. Unlike traditional, cord grinders, cordless models are powered by rechargeable batteries, allowing users to work in areas without a nearby power source. This freedom from cords makes them ideal for projects that require mobility or outdoor work, such as cutting metal, grinding surfaces, or polishing materials in remote locations. Cordless angle grinders are typically compact and lightweight, designed to be easy to handle while still delivering powerful performance. The best models combine durability, efficient battery life, and advanced safety features, making them an essential addition to any toolkit for a wide range of applications. Number 1. Milwaukee Cordless Angle Grinder. The Milwaukee brushless cordless angle grinder is a powerful tool designed for both professional and DIY enthusiasts looking for performance and convenience. With a weight of just 1.55 kilograms, this grinder is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, especially during extended use. The Milwaukee brushless cordless angle grinder is an excellent investment for anyone needing a reliable and efficient tool for various grinding tasks. Its combination of power, versatility, and comfort makes it a standout choice in the market. Whether you're a professional contractor or a home DIY enthusiast, this grinder is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Highly recommended. Number 2. Gisam Cordless Angle Grinder. The Gisam Cordless Angle Grinder is an excellent addition to any home DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Designed for versatility and efficiency, this brushless angle grinder stands out with its robust features and user-friendly design. The Gisam Cordless Angle Grinder is a reliable and powerful tool for anyone looking to tackle home improvement projects. Its combination of a brushless motor, variable speed settings, and ergonomic design makes it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced DIYers. Whether you're cutting through metal, grinding down surfaces, or polishing materials, this angle grinder is equipped to handle the task with ease. For its performance and features, it represents excellent value for the price, making it a worthy investment for your toolbox. Number 3. Yofidra Cordless Angle Grinder. The Yofidra Cordless Angle Grinder is a versatile and high-performance tool suitable for various home DIY projects. With a powerful brushless motor and lightweight design, this angle grinder is ideal for users seeking portability without compromising performance. The Yofidra Cordless Angle Grinder is a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts and home users needing a compact, lightweight, and powerful angle grinder. With its brushless motor and variable speed control, it's well suited for various tasks, from cutting and grinding to polishing. This grinder is an excellent addition to a DIY toolkit, especially if portability and ease of use are priorities. Number 4. Dewalt DCG405 Cordless Angle Grinder. The Dewalt DCG405 Cordless Angle Grinder is a powerful and versatile tool that appeals to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Known for its reliability and performance, Dewalt delivers again with this compact, brushless angle grinder that combines efficiency and ease of use. The Dewalt DCG405 Cordless Angle Grinder is a top-notch choice for those seeking a powerful, portable, and durable grinding solution. Its combination of power, lightweight design, and brushless motor technology makes it stand out from similar models in the market. While the need for separate battery and charger purchases may be a drawback, its overall performance, durability, and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to tackle DIY or professional projects with ease. Number 5. Magnitt Cordless Angle Grinder. The Magnitt cordless brushless angle grinder is a powerful tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts who want a high-performance, easy-to-use grinder for sanding, grinding, and other precision tasks. With its 18V power source and brushless motor, this model stands out for efficiency and durability, offering significant advantages over traditional brushed motors by generating less heat and wear over time. The Magnitt cordless brushless angle grinder is a robust, efficient, and versatile tool for DIY projects around the house. Its brushless motor offers long-lasting performance and reduced maintenance, while the high power and speed make it a reliable choice for grinding, sanding, and other related tasks. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking for a balance of power and convenience, this model offers great value in a cordless format. Many thanks for watching this video.